Starting around 23 June 2023, Dogecoin most certainly is exchanging at $0.066 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.6% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially thought. Doge generally has in every practical sense, complete market cap of $9,260,541,749, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $287,191,818 in a for the most part enormous manner. This certainly makes Dogecoin, Doge genuinely positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in a genuinely significant manner. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogecoin most certainly be truly worth in 2023 in an especially huge manner? Is Dogecoin an excellent venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they most certainly thought. Will Doge cost outperform its unequaled high? These really are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which in every practical sense shows that this generally makes Dogecoin, Doge in every way that really matters, positioning at 8 in the digital money market in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost basically is supposed to explicitly cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.080, the normal really least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to especially be $0.078, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Doge can really arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0.085, or so they especially thought. Doge value estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Dogecoin for the most part is gauged to sort of be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.060, which by and large is very critical. The Dogecoin value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.067, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.065 in United States dollars. Genuinely further appearance how the Dogecoin value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a by and large limit of $0.067, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.065 in United States dollars, which generally is very huge. Dogecoin value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Dogecoin basically is supposed to really be at around a very least of $0.065. Dogecoin cost can really arrive at a sort of limit of $0.070, with the essentially normal cost of $0.068 in United States dollars in a significant way. Doge value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin most certainly is estimated to explicitly be at around a base worth of $0.067 in every practical sense. Further appearance, how basically is Dogecoin and in every way that really matters, why is venture kind of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they thought. The Dogecoin value worth can in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.072, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.070 in United States dollars, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation September 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.069 and $0.075 in a really significant manner, while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.072 in a sort of huge manner. Dogecoin value expectation October 2023. Dogecoin cost generally is supposed to sort of reach between $0.071 to $0.079 in October 2023. While the kind of typical cost of Doge for the October truly remains around $0.074. Doge value estimate, November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Dogecoin sort of is supposed to truly arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.074, showing how besides Doge can sort of arrive at a greatest value level of $0.085 in an unpretentious manner. The Doge cost could generally arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.082, with the fundamentally normal cost around $0.077, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. Dogecoin cost especially is supposed to, in every practical sense, reach between $0.078 to $0.085 in December 2023, while the very normal cost of Doge for the December explicitly remains around $0.080. Dogecoin extremely past value examination, in every way that really matters, recent hours. The crypto by and large has been essentially diminished by 3.17% in its fundamentally current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we by and large analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. From most recent 7 days, the Doge explicitly was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.23%, showing that besides Doge can in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.085, or so they by and large thought. Dogecoin truly has shown extremely in every practical sense solid exceptionally potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, which basically is genuinely critical. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge by and large diminished by 30.277%, wiping out an astounding genuinely normal amount of $0.029 from its in every practical sense current worth in an unobtrusive way. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be an excellent especially purchase a potential open door for the most part speedy venture, which in a real sense is very huge. The 90 days cost change generally is near 23.35%, and the cost flowed from a kind of least in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.085 to truly most extreme essentially normal cost of $0.088, in the kind of beyond 90 days, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin generally is somewhere near 7.38%, with the essentially greatest certainly normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.076, and the very least in every practical sense, normal cost of generally was around $0.073 in beyond 4 months, which shows that from kind of most recent 7 days, the Doge in every practical sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.23%, exhibiting that besides Doge can in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.085 in a very huge manner. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will be Dogecoin extremely worth in 2023? Which generally is genuinely critical. The Doge value sort of is gauged to generally arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0.085, with truly least cost of $0.078 toward the finish of 2023. So besides Doge can really arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0.085 in an especially significant